Hello and welcome to Someka's SOAR Analysis Excel Template. This Excel template helps you to make your SOAR analysis much better and also in an easier way with a well-prepared format. Also, helps you to make action plans in an already formatted sheet. Input your data into this section. If you need more rows, press on the plus sign to get additional rows. Once you input your data in this section, you can check the matrix for an easier visualization. You don't need to put any data into this section. This section is fed by the SOAR analysis and it takes the data you input into this section and present in a well formatted way. If you don't see your results into this section, you can press on the plus sign to see in here. And lastly, on the action plan, you can write your action, choose the priority from the drop-down list, and also you can choose the progress from the drop-down list as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.